Hey there, Amazon friends. It's your boy Kalo Star from Kalo Star's Favorite Things. I have another great product review. Check it out. Check it out. It's a V868 key light mixing mechanical keyboard. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let me show it to you. It's really cool. So, this is what it looks like. Isn't that awesome? This is a mechanical keyboard. And you see how the keys, I love a clicky keyboard. Now this is for gamers, or you can use it for work or whatever you want. It's got the little feet back here. You can sit it up and everything like that. Yeah. But let me show you what it looks like when it's all lit up. So it comes with a very long cord. It's a wired keyboard. It is not Bluetooth. It does not have a dongle. It is definitely just wired. So look, it lights up, guys. It lights up really nicely. And you can change all of these patterns. You can speed them up by holding the FN button and the insert button. You can change these to different stuff. Look at that. Watch. There's that one. There's that one. I think it's 20 of them, I believe, that you can go through. And then if you use like the down arrow, you can speed it up. Things like that. There's that one. Isn't that cool? You know, gamers, they love to have all these colors. Their headphones are colors, the keyboard, their computers, their mice, and this just makes it good. And then having this here, the clicky sound, makes the game just a little bit more exciting. Yeah. In the box, you also get a little manual, and you get some extra replacement key caps and a little tool to do that, to replace them. So you do get that. Now this keyboard is totally wired. There's no batteries or anything like that. So it has to be plugged into it has to be plugged into a computer to work. So this is wired, and the wire, and you can remove the wire and for carrying and all that sort of thing. But love this little keyboard. I love a clicky keyboard. Yes, I do. So I love this keyboard. I use it for work. I'm not a gamer at all, but I use it on my content station here. I have a station where I sit right here to do my content, and I use this keyboard, which I love. Now, it's totally wired. It's not Bluetooth again. It doesn't have a dongle. You have to plug it in to your computer. Now, I have it plugged into my Mac, so it works with PC and computer. Yes, check it out. Check it out. So what do you think? Great little product. It's small, too. Small. Now, so there you have it, guys. Another great product. Tested and approved by Kalo Star's Favorite Things. You have an awesome day. Bye.
Wow.